Hey everyone, it is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday while I was MIA. I had a busy day yesterday and didn't get much work done. Got a lot of other things accomplished, but I am back today and I did finish my set of bird-themed journal notebooks. There's 10 of them. And so these are all in the shop. Link is in the description box below. Free shipping to the United States. All that good stuff. So I really hope that you enjoy this. I have. It took me a week. I think I started these a Monday. Well, I probably started just a little bit last weekend, but today's Friday. So, it's taken me 5 days or so to get these together. And they're birds. They're my favorite. I just picked a theme that I loved. I used my kit Bird World. So I hope you will check that out on my website as well. Bird World, you just type that in. But here we go. I'll just go through them quickly. They all have wallpaper covers. And they're mostly neutrals, but we've got some tans, greens, blues. There's an orange and some grays. So they're all wallpaper. They're all stitched. And then the images are all bird images. They're from Nature Image Collection. I believe that's where I got them all from. Nature Image Collection. You can type that in on my website as well to find out more information about purchasing that. And they are backed with encyclopedia paper from the 1950s. I've been using that a lot and enjoying it. I've kept it simple. I really wanted these to be usable, not necessarily eye candy, but usable. They're 9x6. They have 40 pages. They're lined with parchment paper. And then they each have a little envelope that has the ephemera from my Bird World kit that has been printed on cardstock and cut out. They all have the same pieces of ephemera. So these can be used within the journal if you feel like decorating, or they can be used in other projects to add to your stash if you're just going to be writing in this journal. But these are all the ephemera pieces, including this one on the envelope from Bird World. And then pretty much they are all the same on the inside. The pages might be in a little bit of a different order. And then there are 7 sheets from Bird World. And then there's 3 sheets that are just extra papers that are added. So there's a pair of Orioles in each one. There's the Louisiana water thrushes. These are background pages from Bird World. There's a parchment page in each one. The song sparrow. Got another background page. Herring gulls. This is from Nature Image Collection as well. It's a beautiful tree print. Different owl heads. Warblers. There's another background page for writing. And so is that one. Quail. There's another background page. I think those are swallows. Hawks. Bunting sparrows, other little birds. Warblers. Goldfinches. I love this page. Kingbirds. And a redstart. So this cover image is on 4 of the journals, I believe. So the orange one, is that the same one? Yeah, the orange one. They're pretty much the same. They might be in a different order. They might have their papers, their lined papers inside might be a little bit different. But pretty much the same. Then this one is a thin striped pink and brown that pulls out some of the woody colors in there. Again, pretty much the same. This one has a little ledger paper in it. And then a kind of blue-gray striped one. Again, pretty much the same on the inside. They're all, this one does have a floral page. I think the others have trees. This one has a floral one. So 4 have this, I think that's a woodpecker. So it has that. And then 2 of them have this one, Friends in Feather ABC. A stands for albatross with wings big and strong. B stands for the bullfinch who whistles a song. And then again, the setup is pretty much identical to the other one, so I won't flip through it all. These are, well, almost the same wallpaper, if not the same. They're so close. So these are pretty much identical. And then there's 4 with this image. And I love how soft and sweet it is with the little nest of birds. So there's a green one. Again, same on the inside. There's 2 blue ones. And then there's a gray one. So what I'll do with listing these, so you get the one you want, is the blue ones will be quantity 2. I just noticed this this cover is slightly longer. That's fine. It doesn't matter, but that's interesting. I think I just didn't trim it down. Looks fine to me, so just notice that. Okay, so the blue will be quantity 2. Then there'll be 1 in gray, 1 in green. Then the tan here will be quantity 2. And then we'll have all of these will be listed separately since the covers are different. So let's see, 4, 5. There'll be 8 different listings, but 10 different journals, if that makes sense. And they're all available. So I hope you enjoyed that. And then I do want to just inspire you to create a collection and just kind of do it in a kind of like a mass making or assembly line way where you pick your covers, you pick your images, you pick, you know, and just kind of put it together and do it like that over the span of whatever time you think that you would be able to get it completed in. You know, I chose a week because I knew I could do that. I've done it in less time than that before, but you could even choose, you know, a couple months, you know, 2 or 3 months if you wanted to, and work on them. They just look so beautiful when they're done. They're so useful for writing in, and they make amazing gifts. So this has been my little piece of creativity this week. I think next week I'm going to have to work on, I found a box and I was like, oh, what's in this box? And I pulled it down and they were journals that were half done. And I didn't think I had that many half-done journals, so I have several. And so I think I'm going to be working on that next week and just trying to finish them up, do whatever they need done to them to finish them up, to get them in the shop and get them to all of you. So just a short video today, but I hope it's enough inspiration to get you to your craft desk. Have a wonderful day. I so enjoy spending time with you.